Write as a single fraction in simplest form this particular algebraic expression. Notice that we have 9w to the power of 2 divided by 7 to the power of 3, and this fraction is divided by 18w all over z to the power of 3. Now, in order to divide these two fractions, we're going to use this acronym KSF. KSF. Now, the K stands for keep. So we're going to keep this fraction. We're going to keep this fraction unchanged. We're not going to change this fraction. We're going to leave it as is. The S stands for switch. So we're going to switch this division sign into a multiplication sign. And the F stands for flip. So we're going to take 18w and put it at the bottom, and take z to the power of 3 and put it at the top. So KSF, keep, switch, and flip. And so what we do, let me erase all ink. We keep this first fraction unchanged. We take the division sign and we change it into a multiplication sign. We put the z to the third power on top, and we put 18w at the bottom. Next, we simplify. We say z to the third power cancels out with this z to the third power. So we just left with 9w squared multiplied by 1, and we have 1 times 18w. Next, we multiply. 9 times w squared multiplied by 1 is 9 times w squared, and 1 times 18w is 18w. Next, what we do here is we notice that these two terms have the same base, all right? They have the same base. So this is w and this is w. Now, the one at the bottom, that's w raised to the power of 1, all right? So what we have here is w to the second power, and we have w to the power of 1. Now we have these two terms that have the same base, and we're dividing it. And whenever you have two terms that have the same base and you're dividing them, what you're going to do is you're going to subtract the powers. You're going to subtract the powers. And so we have w raised to the power of 2 minus 1. And so we have w raised to the power of 2 minus 1. And when we subtract that, we get w. So w raised to the power of 2 minus 1 is simply w to the power of 1. And w to the power of 1 is just w. But we have to now deal with the 9 and the 18. We could reduce them because 9 goes into both 9 and 18. So 9 divided by 9 is 1, and 18 divided by 9 is 2. And so our answer is 1 over 2 times w. And that's the answer to this particular question.